really was managing, sort of. But it just took too much of his energy, and he didn't have energy for anything else. I think now he's slowly recovering, you know, so.
But old people, you take a little while.
Alright.
Same as my mum.
Loads of love and attention.
Like my mummy, don't you?
They're going to be very cute.
Yeah, my mum's really good.
They mentioned things like
That's what I was going to keep it. That's exactly what I was
Yeah,
doing.
very good. Yeah, yeah.
My mum, that's exactly my mum. She'll burn herself into the ground looking after her.
Yeah, yeah.
Don't you do that when you do it? Let's go to your bigger thing then, huh?
They can be also really considered copy needs. They can be very needy.
I think she has very short ear pressure.
Slow down.